Hi everyone, this video is dedicated on how to install your signature on iPad and iPhone for your Gmail account. First of all, we need to go to the web version of MySignature and create the first signature right here. As you can see on the bottom left side, there is a button that says install. We need to click that. Then on the left top, we need to choose the relevant iPhone and iPad instruction option. As you can see here, we need to click on scan QR to install signature on iPhone right here. And after that, you need to scan this particular QR code from the device that you're working with. After that, you're going to be redirected to the page where you need to copy the signature to the clipboard, and then you're ready to go to your Gmail app. After that, make sure that you're using the correct account, and from the left side, go to the settings. Scroll down a bit, and there you will find the signature settings, and make sure that you turn off mobile signature. After that, it will be automatically synchronized, so when you compose in your email, you will see the signature is already there. Thank you for watching. I really hope it was easy to follow this tutorial. In case you have any problems, feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.